Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, press your like, show your love for this community. Anyway, today we're here to talk about a very requested subject. We're talking about your lips. We want our lips to be kissable, sexy, and a little bit more volume is always appreciated. Of course, my tips and suggestions are always specified on natural ways, and there are, of course, more. You can go to anyone doctor to get hyaluronic acid fillers, or you could also use makeup to make your lips look a little bit bigger, but my tips are very natural. We want to go to the basis. Hydration is underestimated when we talk about our lips. That's why most of the times people look like their lips are tight and not so appealable. So follow my tips to have a great and new look that will make you look a little bit more, Anyway, let's start with exfoliation. This part is gonna be divided in two parts. The first part is the toothbrush. I suggest you to use it to start your exfoliation, and with gentle movements you will improve the blood flow in this area. That also increases a little bit of volume and redness that makes it look fluffier. So let's start. Once we're done, we continue our treatment with this amazing scrub from Care. It contains almond crumbles and hyaluronic acid, so the consistency is, you see, it's like a gel. I've been using it like every other day and it's amazing. It smells delicious. Strawberry, actually. So we get a little bit. Of course, it's personal, don't share it with your friends. And here we are. This part is important for hydration. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now it's super zoom because I want to show you the perfect massage to stimulate blood flowing and also all those muscles around here that makes our lips older and look tired, and we want a nice and smooth area and base to build our fluffy lips. Let's start. Like Pac-Man. Okay, so now that we're done with the massage, we're supposed to end our treatment with this amazing balm. It's super rich in active principles balm, so you're gonna have a great nourishment and it will also stay for a long time. Ta-da! You can see that the result is super natural, and but at the same time it gives you the nice result we want. We want natural, full, hydrated lips. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, press like and subscribe, and see you soon guys in the next time.